Hello everyone, welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion today, Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojna, BHAVYA. This topic relates to the economy section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in the news. The Union Cabinet has approved the Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojna, BHAVYA, with an outlay of 33,660 crore rupees to develop 100 plug-and-play industrial parks across India. The initiative aims to boost manufacturing, attract investments, generate employment, and accelerate India's journey towards a self-reliant economy. Now let's discuss about BHAVYA scheme. BHAVYA is a major industrial development scheme focused on creating world-class plug-and-play industrial ecosystems across the country. It will support the development of industrial parks ranging from 100 to 1,000 acres, with financial assistance of up to 1 crore rupees per acre for core, value-added, and social infrastructure. The scheme emphasizes ease of doing business by offering pre-approved land, ready infrastructure, and streamlined single-window clearances, enabling industries to begin operations quickly. It will be implemented in collaboration with state governments and private sector players, building on the existing National Industrial Corridor Development Program framework. Now let's discuss about key features of BHAVYA scheme. The industrial parks will include core infrastructure such as roads, utilities, drainage systems, ICT facilities, factory sheds, warehouses, and testing labs, along with social infrastructure like worker housing and essential amenities. Support for external infrastructure, such as connectivity, will be provided up to 25% of project costs. The parks will follow Gati Shakti principles, ensuring seamless multimodal connectivity and efficient logistics. About NICDC, the National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation operates under the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Responsible for development of world-class greenfield industrial smart cities to enhance manufacturing competitiveness, attract investments, and generate employment. NICDC promotes plug-and-play industrial parks where infrastructure and approvals are pre-developed, allowing industries to begin operations without delays. Now let's do a practice question. BHAVYA scheme, recently seen in the news, is implemented by which of the following ministries? A. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. C. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. D. Ministry of Finance. Send your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.